Hey guests, and welcome back to the Rodgers House. And today it's Tablescape Tuesday, hosted by those beautiful ladies of elegance, Courtney from Amethyst Adventures and Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. And today they have another special treat for us with their beautiful guest host, Sassou Glam Style. I will link all of their channel info along with the playlist link down in my description box. So today's Tablescape theme is sunflowers. But before we get to that, on the Rodgers House, we give shout outs because we believe it's super important to support, motivate, and encourage other YouTube inspiring creators. And today's shout out goes to Marlene's How To's. She does some beautiful gardening, home decor, and plant-based snacks on her channel. Her gardening is gorgeous. She definitely has a green thumb. So please go over and check her out and let her know in the comment section that Felicia from the Rodgers House shouted her out today. In today's video, as I mentioned, the theme is sunflowers. So I'm going to be showing you a French country sunflower tablescape that I call a ray of sunshine. So let's get into the video. So starting off with this beautiful sunflower tablecloth, I topped it with those beautiful emerald green charger plates that you've seen in a previous video, and I'm going to link that video down in my description box. And then I changed the look of those emerald green plates just by using those clear gold trim charger plates on top of them. Then I stood back and looked at the table and realized that I really want to break up some of the sunflower. So I brought out my burlap scalloped placemats and placed everything on top of it, along with that beautiful sunflower stoneware plate that I purchased from Home Goods. Then for my centerpiece, I used my wooden riser, added a little bit of fall foliage, used that beautiful rooster that really complements the colors of the sunflowers in that stoneware plate. And then I did a few embellishments, and here's the finished look. Yes, on the plate is my napkin, which is a sunflower napkin, and I did a DIY pumpkin napkin fold. I have done this napkin fold before, so I will link that video down in my description box so you can see how I made the pumpkin napkin fold. So guests, I hope you enjoy seeing my array of sunshine tablescape, and if you did, please leave me a comment down in the comment section, and please don't forget to go over and watch the host channel along with the playlist. If this is your first time visiting, welcome, and I hope you will consider becoming a guest of the Rodgers House. And if you are a returning guest, thank you so much for all your love and support. I truly do appreciate it. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll know when I've uploaded more videos. I want to thank you all for visiting the Rodgers House.